Redis modules introduction. Welcome back in these 5 minutes to learn Redis series. I already listed the native Redis data structures. Redis can dynamically load modules to implement any data structure or any feature inside its core, leveraging its architecture. Now I try to give an overview of this infinite extensibility. Well, a dynamic library. Redis module is technically a dynamic shared library. It can be implemented in any programming language as long as it can export and unload entry point symbol. It is loaded on demand by the Redis processes, and the unload entry point is automatically called with a reference to the Redis core. Then the module can register its functions and commands to the Redis core. Benefits? Well, modules can leverage all the underlying Redis core features such as in-memory storage, existing data structures usage, persistency, high availability, data distribution with sharding, and so on. We have community modules. Anyone can implement a module, and Redis community users created a lot of modules. Some of them are listed on the Redis webpage, such as a neural network module, an SQL module, an artificial intelligence module, and so on. But you have also enterprise modules. Some modules are also available in Redis Enterprise product by Redis Labs, such as the full-text search, the graph database, or the tensor-based AI engine, as well as the JSON or the time series data structures. Now, I have approximately 30 seconds to demonstrate each module to respect the 5 minutes format. This is a short overview, and I will publish a dedicated content for some of them later. First of all, the compilation. The source code is usually very small, and once we fetch it, compiling is only one command away, make, and the module is ready to be loaded. Let's see the neural network. Before loading the module, neural network commands are not recognized. As soon as it is loaded, commands are registered and available. We create a regression network with 2 inputs and 1 output. Let's give him some 2 terms addition examples. Before training, the network doesn't know what 1 plus 1 result is. Let's train him with samples and try again with 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2. OK. Now, Redis search. This small piece of Python code opens a connection to Redis. It subscribes to Twitter streaming API and pushes some fields such as screen name, username, and tweeted text in Redis search module to index them. Let's query about NoSQL word. We have 2 results. Redis search also has aggregation, auto-completion, and a lot of other very powerful features. Now, let's have a look at Redis graph. Once this module is loaded, graph commands are available. We can use OpenCipher, the graph database query language, to create 2 persons, François and Elton, colleagues of George at Redis Labs. We can also ask the graph about the names of George's colleagues. Now, the time series, for example. As soon as the module is loaded, you understood, time series commands are available to create a time series. It contains 10 CPU temperature values with a 5-second interval. Then we can ask the time series about the temperature average by 10, 20 or 60 second slices, for example. And the time series module can do a lot more with pre-aggregation rules. Now, JSON. This last one, once loaded, provides new commands to natively manipulate a new data structure, JSON. I can create a JSON user document with age and address, get it back, increment the age, add a country field in the address subdocument, or get only the address subdocument without fetching the whole record. I will focus on module development and on specific modules later. If you found this video useful, you can like it, share it, and if not, you can thumb down it. This is also useful for me to tune the content. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe. Thank you.